This saw turns out to be a never-ending experiment for me. Run across this intake off of a DM20, I believe, like a demolition concrete multi-purpose type saw. I'm going to slap that intake on this saw, use this velocity stack. Had to do a little bit of grinding and get the choke to open and close. I'm not going to use this carburetor. Got non-adjustable high jet, so that is not going to cut it for me. Slap that air filter on there. So between that pipe, that velocity stack, and that intake, I guess we'll see what happens with it. It could be worse than when I started. I don't know, but we're gonna find out.